Hello everyone. High-speed pursuits, box truck takedowns, and officers charging with drawn sidearms. This is law enforcement at its limit. One wrong move ends it all. Watch as the chaos unfolds in real time. Which part of the situation was the most intense? Tell us in the comments. On the 29th of November 2025, in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, an SCHP trooper attempted to stop this SUV for speeding. Instead of taking a ticket, the driver ignited a high-risk pursuit.
75 miles an hour.
After hitting spike strips, the suspect spotted CPL, Dozier, and suddenly swerved to attack. He tried to ram the county vehicle, the officer shouted as his partner jumped over the guardrail to escape.
Or if he's driving backwards on primary, he's just trying to hit a county and I'm going to take the vehicle out.
Take him out.
He just tried to hit the county unit.
After the first impact, the driver hit the gas, then reversed. Fleeing the wrong way revealed utter desperation. What do you think police should do next in this situation?
Take the vehicle out. Take him out. Stop! Get out! Get your hands up!
The final PIT maneuver. Jerome Butler, 40, ran on foot but was quickly taken down. With prior resistance charges and intentional assault on an officer, he was sentenced to 10 years in prison. What do you think?
Stay in the car! Get down! Get down on the ground! I don't care! Get down! Get out!
Alright, we're back on Archer Road. I am now the lead vehicle.
Gainesville, Florida, the 23rd of August 2022. Alachua County deputies track a stolen Isuzu box truck. After a string of violent incidents in Tampa, the driver charges down Archer Road high-stakes encounter. This pursuit is only just beginning.
Wrong way, Archer Road traffic. 100 block. Reserve at Canal. Back in the right lane of travel. No celebration point. Right behind you. Anybody have any ideas on business? Can we fit a two-wheel drive or a two-wheel rear vehicle? What kind of vehicle is it again? We're eastbound, or past some Burger King eastbound.
For DSO, eastbound, about 60 mile an hour.
civilian, so units 2300 Archer.
Northbound into the new Butler Club. Northbound 37 Boulevard.
He's really locked him in. That's a perfect opportunity in that plaza.
Alright, he's run through the Best Buy Plaza. Alright, we're back on Archer Road. I am now the lead vehicle.
He intentionally slams into a patrol unit. The radio crackles. Signal 4, wrong way travel. He's turned this pursuit into a dangerous collision course. Pure recklessness.
Alright, we are at 35th Boulevard, still eastbound, wrong side of the road, coming up to 34th.
Vehicle, pit that truck, pit that truck.
Trying to get to it. Speed 60 mile an hour.
Right.
Northbound 34th Street, northbound 34th Street.
Alright, 1388, I'm calling it. Northbound through Meadows Boulevard on 34th Street.
Trying to get up to a pit.
Signal 4, gaining wrong lane of traffic. Piccadilly, wrong lane of travel, past Piccadilly. Continuing on. Alright, we're still continuing northbound, passing the Metro Diner.
Get the city to help us, guys. We need to stop this now.
Change those dark cars. Attention pig, we are going through the Metro Diner Plaza.
Cutting through a crowded Best Buy parking lot puts innocent shoppers at extreme risk. Desperation mode is fully engaged. Where does he think he can go?
Attention pig, again, coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back.
He bails out, but you can't outrun a K9. Brandon Baker, 33, is booked into the Alachua County Jail on charges including kidnapping and armed carjacking.
I ain't even mad at y'all, because y'all did y'all job.
The 8th of April 2024, Turner County, GA. A luxury Range Rover Evoque tears down I-75 at extreme speed. Instead of pulling over, the driver floors it, openly defying the law. He weaves recklessly at 130 miles per hour. Police shout, "Southbound 130," risking lives just to run. Was it worth it?
Just ring stop line 63.
A devastating crash reduces the luxury SUV to twisted metal. The suspect escapes on foot, facing up to 10 years in prison and a $5,000 fine under Georgia law for causing injury. In Little Rock, Arkansas, on the 22nd of November 2022, Sergeant Jeff Preston spotted a Camaro traveling at 90 miles per hour on I-530. Instead of stopping, the driver floored it, forcing Trooper Terrell Pratt into a pursuit. A minor violation was about to turn into a disaster, but what was he trying to hide? The Camaro hit exit 35 too fast, lost control, and slammed into the guardrail, kicking up a massive cloud of dust. Trooper Pratt charged straight into the blinding haze.
Rigged out, rigged out, rigged out. Hey, head! Put him up! Put him up! On the ground, 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 on the ground.
Pratt rammed the Camaro. The suspect was arrested for fleeing and reckless driving, now facing up to 6 years in prison for this dangerous behavior.
You good? You good? Come on, come on.
The 8th of September 2025, in Denmark Township, Ohio, a red motorcycle aggressively flees instead of stopping. What secret is he hiding that makes him risk everything? Even on an empty road, he repeatedly tosses suspicious packages onto the pavement, trying to get rid of evidence. Fleeing at a snail's pace like this, does he really think he can escape?
Going through private property, Graham. Southbound on San Jose Street, 54. To do a stop.
The bike goes down, and he bolts straight into the woods. Taser, ineffective. Tension spikes as officers shout warnings that he's trying to draw a weapon from his clothing. Jerry Pegram, 54, faced a fatal outcome after attempting to resist. There would be no trial. The sentence was a fatal officer-involved shooting at the scene. On the 4th of July 2025, in Little Rock, Arkansas, CPL, Bob Love spotted a purple Dodge Charger flying at 167 miles per hour on I-530. Instead of pulling over, John Stevenson Jr. hit the gas and fled from Troop A, turning a speeding ticket into a reckless, breath-stopping criminal pursuit.
I have 25.
Sorry, I'm moving out of your way. I'm getting fire.
118.
He got up on 118 service road. 118 service road.
Track.
I'm still 30 West going interstate. He got up on the service road.
He treats the emergency lane like his personal roadway, weaving through traffic at 149 miles per hour. He thinks he's a racer, but physics is about to teach him a painful lesson.
Westbound.
Take forward to 20.
Should have started at 10:16, but be sure.
Blasting into the exit at excessive speed, he loses control and slams straight into a brand new Toyota Grand Highlander. The thrill ride ends in a pile of twisted metal.